Hi, Tony here from Bath and Spare Parts again. Today we're looking at the Oli Azor Float Valve 3/8 OL0021203. Right, this is the next valve. You also get a little adapter which goes in. You can dismount this one, put this one, so you get a vertical fill and a clip for clipping into the back of a concealed system. So that comes supplied. Right, this one can be a bit fiddly. First we take the float off, which makes life easier. Next is to see this yellow lever part, that comes out eventually. So now this is fiddly. You've got to grip these and turn them like that. It takes the cover off, and then in here it wants to come to the washer. Again there, hope the camera sees that lug. So always make sure that goes back into that lug. Yeah, that seams in. Now the reverse. That's it. Yeah.